Good afternoon, my dear students. Today I am going to describe regarding a very important point that is known as tribal empowerment under vocal to local towards Viksit Bharat. The vision of Viksit Bharat is what? For the development of a tribal community. If tribal community will not develop, automatically the aim and objectives of Viksit Bharat may not be success. So, what are the reasons? What are the causes of the problem of tribal peoples? The main problem is they are very uneducated, they have no health systems, the weak of infrastructure, lack of market access, skill and craft under value. So what are the causes of the problem? The lack of awareness about the government schemes, limited use of technology, absence of digital knowledge. So what are the effects of the problem? The young people and the women are migrating to the cities for the work. Traditional crafts, music and language are slowly disappearing. So what are the solutions? If government focus on education, give skill training, promoting local entrepreneurship, and for sell products use e-commerce platforms and awareness by school or NGOs, automatically the solution of problems of the tribal community will be developed and the aim and objectives of the Viksit Bharat will be success.
ମୁଁ ଗୋପାଳଙ୍କ ଲୋକାଲ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ବିକିତ ଭାରତକୁ ଶ୍ରେୟ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରୁଅଛି। ସାଧାରଣ ଭାବରେ ଦେଶରେ ଆଦିବାସୀ ମାନଙ୍କ ଅନୁନ୍ନତ ଏବଂ ଅର୍ଥନୈତିକ ସମସ୍ୟା ରହିଅଛି। ଆଦିବାସୀ ମାନେ ଆଗକୁ ନ ବଢ଼ିବାର ମୁଖ୍ୟ କାରଣମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଶିକ୍ଷା, ସ୍ୱାସ୍ଥ୍ୟ ଏବଂ ଗମନାଗମନ ଆଦିର ବ୍ୟବସ୍ଥା ନ ଦେବା, ସେମାନଙ୍କ ହାତ ତିଆରି ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟକୁ ବଜାରକୁ